Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I'm doing something a little different. I usually don't post these on YouTube. Sometimes I do reels on Instagram, but I have started this new watercolor Bible. So it's in just a single column journaling Bible. I believe it is 2 inches and you get a little bit more space depending on the wording. But I fell in love with watercoloring this past summer. I went to a really small retreat, which is so fun when you get to attend someone else's retreat, and had a watercoloring class and just kind of fell in love with how relaxing it is. And you just don't have to think really as you're watercoloring. It takes a good amount of time. I mean, this little lamp took me 70 minutes. I had to trim down this video from 70 minutes, but it's just relaxing. You don't have to think about anything. You don't have to think about what you want to do next. You just kind of keep on painting until you like it. And so it has been really therapeutic and good for me, and for me to just think about the verse that I am studying. And so I don't know, I'll probably do a lot more watercoloring in the future, but it's still stick with the mixed media and style that I love in my interleaved as well. So you might be seeing a little bit more watercoloring here. But yeah, I'm using Daniel Smith watercolors. You can get those with your Bible journaling kits from By the Well for God, or you can purchase tubes from By the Well for God as well. That's what I've done. So you'll see me just use a bunch of my paints. They are definitely an investment, but you will have them forever because a tube will last you forever. So I am excited about continuing my journey with watercoloring. I am definitely a beginner. I'm looking at the back of this stamp to see how Laura colored it, just to get some ideas, because I don't know what I'm doing really. So anyways, this is just a process, and I'm taking you along on the journey basically. So anyways, I was going to go over the colors that I'm using, but I can't really remember everyone. But I know that I used Buff Titanium for this light yellow with Indian yellow. Buff Titanium is one of the colors that was in the little Daniel Smith tester for this kit, Delivered to the Saints. Now, I'm not using a verse from Delivered to the Saints. I'm actually using the verse that is on the stamp. So if you get a stamp from By the Well for God, they always include a verse that can kind of be a jumping off point. And so I'm journaling 2 Samuel 22:29. I'm going to read a couple verses from there, 29 through 31. It says, "For you are my lamp, O Lord, and my God lightens my darkness. For by you I can run against a troop, and by my God I can leap over a wall. This God, his way is perfect. The word of the Lord proves true. He is a shield for all those who take refuge in him." And so I liked how I had this cute little vintage lamp that I'm coloring in for that, and I will end up writing "You are my lamp" on or over the arch of the right hand side of the lamp after I filmed this video. I forgot to actually film me writing that out, but you'll see it in the picture at the end of this video. Here is where I kind of go off from the colors of the lamp that Laura used on the back of the stamp. I decided to use more teals in here and then focus on the butterfly in the center of the lamp. Anywho, this is just kind of a longer process. So you can kind of see it in slower motion than an Instagram reel. Let me know down below in the comments if you like seeing these watercolor videos, and if you'd rather see them on YouTube a little bit longer, or if you just want to see a quick little short reel on Instagram. I don't mind doing both. I just want to make sure that if you like seeing them on YouTube, that you let me know so I can continue doing that for you, because if not, then I'll just post them as reels, because I know there's not much to talk about because it's just watercolors. But and I'm not anyone that knows much about watercolors besides what I've studied myself. So let me know down below, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to check out Daniel Smith watercolors for yourself, or the stamp I used from By the Well for God, I will leave them both linked in the description down below. And I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.